Hi friends, today we are going to draw with these things, graphite powder and a tissue. Yes, we will begin staining our paper with some graphite powder. Recharge your paper as many times you need. In this way. Now, we take a putty eraser and give it the shape, a point like this. And let's begin drawing in negative space. So we are drawing lights before lines. Lights before lines. Okay. And as you see, this is a different way of drawing. But it's a very classic way of drawing with charcoal. But it's less common to draw like this with pencil, with graphite and pencil. Okay. I wish to show you how with very few tools you can draw almost everything. Just graphite powder and a tissue. This is an HB pencil and a 4B pencil we'll use, and an artistic blending stump. And you have the list of materials as always in the description of this video, but these are all the materials we are going to use. Okay. Be very, very careful in these first steps. When we are drawing something so small and delicate, please don't press too hard the point of the pencil in the paper, okay? Be very gentle, very soft with your pencil, because you are here, you will have very difficult. You will be very difficult to erase your lines, because if you erase something now, you will get white lines, and you don't need this. So be very careful, and you will not need to erase. Okay? I know this is not a very easy drawing. This is not the easiest drawing tutorial in this channel, but it is interesting to use negative spaces with erasers and powder, because it's a way to develop your creativity and enhance your artist skills. Okay, you see, very, very gentle. If you think this video goes too fast, it's not very accelerated, but if it goes too fast, remember that YouTube player maybe put slower, okay? Now, feet are very small, and with so few lines, you suggest. Remember, artistic drawing is not photocopy. You are drawing, you are expressing, you are creating. So, in my opinion, when you draw, you must suggest things, not make them too realistic. Okay, but suggest. Your viewers must see what you draw. In this case, I'm not drawing every single detail of the face, but you can see it. You can see it's there. This is the magic of drawing. And with painting, it's the same. The painterly style painting is like this, suggesting things. And for me, it's the best way of drawing and painting. Okay, now this hand. What do you think? It's a very beautiful way to draw. I'll appreciate your comments and what you think about this drawing or others. And if you have some question, please put there. Okay, now let's draw here. Softly, 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 because we are going to blend this part. Remember, if you make traces very hard, you can't blend them because they indent the mark in the paper. Now, a little more here. Giving it more interesting. Now, recover some more lights with your putty eraser, giving more interest. Okay. This is a perfect moment to erase some lines that you don't want to be there. Okay. Beautiful. I really love this way of drawing. And when I draw a portrait, I use it very frequently. Okay. Remember, putty eraser is just a sticky mass of eraser, and you can shape it in the form, in the shape that you need every time. Okay, let's give some details here. It's beautiful. If you are new in the channel and haven't done so, I suggest you to subscribe and smash the like button if you like. If not, we can be friends too. Okay, the eye, suggesting the eye. Delicate. When you draw women or child or children, as less lines you give is better. If not, they appear older than they are. In these cases, less lines, less information is better. Okay, giving some lights to her hair. Beautiful. And let it pop from the background. Don't remark all lines or all parts, only give accents, as I'm doing, accents, parts that pop from your drawing. If you remark everything, it will appear like a cartoon, okay? You only mark some parts, giving the effect and of result this part. Okay. The hands. Okay. And remember, if you need some easier drawing tutorials easier than this. And you have many drawing tutorials in this channel, Art Online Tutorials. And this channel is the twin of my main channel in Spanish, Arte Vivo y Divertido. And my name is Jose Manuel Gallego. I'm artist and art teacher since 40 years ago. Okay. As I said before, we blend this part, the stairs, some effects. Okay. And as you see, is done. What do you think? Do you like it? With very few tools, very few pencils, and a little patience, you can draw almost everything in this world. Everything. Because art is not in the pencil, it's in you. Only have to move your hands or whatever you use to draw. Okay? It's therapeutic. Drawing is therapeutic. Okay, I think it is done. What do you think? Do you like it? See you soon. Be very happy, and draw a lot. Bye!